Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Control Center app. So let's get started. So here we are in our Android, and from here you want to go into the Google Play Store and search for Control Center. And then from here you can see this app right here, Control Center Simple. So this is what you want. So you want to click on this one and click on install. And it shouldn't take too long installing this because it's just a very lightweight program right here. So once you're done installing this, we're gonna open it up right away. So let's click here on open. And now here it is right here, and there might be some ads right here considering that this is just free. And from here you just want to pick your language, and we'll just go for English and done, and then next and get started. And now here it is. So from here what you want to do is that you want to go and make sure that you have the permissions allowed right here that is needed for this app. So right here I will be setting up the permissions. So to draw the other apps, I'm just gonna turn on every permission right here, the right setting, and the accessibility. You want to click on OK. I accept terms, and there it is. And then from here, I'm just gonna go for accessibility again, right here, and turn it on, and OK, and go back. And then there it is. I think it's all good now. And now you want to click here on enable control center so that you would have this. So you would just want to go and drag this down right here. As you can see, we now have this right here. When you drag that down, we now have the control center right here, just like in the iPhone. And what you can do with this is that you can also customize it. You can go for the color right here. If you would want to change the color, you can go for its position. You can go have it in the left side, right side, bottom, or top. In my case, I'll just go with top, and I don't want to customize the width height. Maybe you can go for the color if you'd want, but in my case, I don't want that. So I'll just go back. And now from here, what I want to do is that I want to customize the settings or the controls that I have right here. So what I can do with that, you can click here on the custom controls, and from here you can just import or put some controls right here. So for example, you want the camera to be there, so you want to click here in this button, and then it would now be added here. And if you would want to remove some functions or some features right there, you can just click here on this button and it will be removed just like that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much the basics of it, and there are some more other features, but I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. You don't need any special explanation, maybe unless of course in the setup record you can also set the resolution into whatever you'd want, and you can go for the advanced mode right here so that you'd have the FPS, the sample hertz, bitrate, and so on right here. And yeah, that is basically it on how you can use the Control Center app here in your Android device. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.